In this video, we are going to talk about YouTube Sub for Sub. Does it really work? So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. YouTubers with lesser channels may feel like their low follower levels are preventing them from progressing. This has some basis in reality. It is simpler to get additional subscribers when you have a larger base. Because of this, some users strive to increase their numbers by using strategies like sub for sub. The term sub for sub refers to the practice of subscribing to another person's channel in exchange for them doing the same for yours. Though its effectiveness is up for debate, sub for sub is still rather common. There are even websites outside of YouTube dedicated to linking YouTubers so they may subscribe to each other. YouTubers frequently message other YouTubers asking if they would want a sub for sub. However, many vloggers do not support sub for sub. This is due to their skepticism regarding the effectiveness of these subscribers in increasing the number of views on their videos. Does YouTube sub for sub work? Does sub for sub work? Technically, the answer is yes. Sub for sub is a simple approach to get new subscribers, and it is not against YouTube's terms of service. While subscribers acquired using sub for sub do not see or share your videos. Although users get more subscribers, their channels do not actually expand. Pros of sub for sub. Being active in your vlogging community is essential to succeeding on YouTube. A terrific connection could start if a YouTuber who covers a topic similar to yours contacts you with a sub for sub request and you strike up a chat with them. In addition to following one another, you can exchange advice, leave comments on one another's videos, and perhaps even work together on a video at some point. Some YouTubers may find sub for sub to be a confidence booster. Not seeing any progress can be frustrating, and humiliated by their low subscriber counts, vloggers may decide to conceal that information. Based on how few followers they have, they might believe that people who aren't even watching their videos are judging their material poorly. Some YouTubers may be able to put these worries to rest and return to concentrating on creating quality videos by using sub for sub to build up a greater number. Cons of sub for sub. The truth is that if viewers are prejudging your films based on your analytics, they are more likely looking at views than subscriptions. Although sub for sub aids in gaining subscribers, the majority of them never really watch any of your videos. Like subscribers obtained naturally, they won't ever recommend them to friends or spread them. Your view count therefore remains low even as your subscription count increases. It's unusual to interact with one another and remark on each other's movies in the way that is stated in the pros section. After you have both watched the other person's videos and have conversed in a forum, you are more likely to become friends with another YouTuber. If a vlogger asks you to substitute for them, it is worthwhile to attempt to interact with them. However, most individuals who ask will only want to subscribe to each other's channels. In all likelihood, you won't have time to actually converse with everyone you approach or watch their videos if you plan to use sub for sub to significantly build your subscriber base. There is also a chance that someone you exchange subscriptions with may later decide not to continue to subscribe to your channel. When they discover they do not want to be subscribed to by so many people and realize they have forgotten which channels were covered by sub for sub agreements, this may occur much later. Or it can occur shortly after you sign up for them, within a few days, or even hours. Some dishonest YouTubers utilize the sub for sub method to increase their subscriber count while preparing to unsubscribe from anyone who concurs. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.